In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in HubSpot. To get started, open HubSpot and make sure you're on the main home area of your account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar. This is where you'll find the core tools for managing reporting and performance tracking across your workspace. From that top menu, move to reporting and then click dashboards. This will take you to the section where all dashboard creation and management happens. If you're building dashboards for sales, marketing, service, or general business visibility, this is the central place to do it. In the upper right corner, click Create Dashboard. HubSpot will then guide you into the setup flow. At this stage, you'll choose how you want to begin. You can start from a template if you want a faster setup with pre-built reporting structures, or you can start from scratch if you want full control over what appears on the dashboard. Templates are helpful if you're new to HubSpot dashboards, while starting from scratch is great when you already know exactly what metrics you want to track. Next, enter a descriptive dashboard name. This is important because clear naming makes it much easier to find the right dashboard later, especially if your account has multiple teams or several dashboards for different purposes. Use a name that reflects the goal of the dashboard, such as pipeline performance, campaign results, or leadership reporting. After that, set your user access permissions. HubSpot gives you a few options here. You can make the dashboard private to the owner if it's only for personal use. You can make it available to everyone if the information should be broadly visible across the account. Or you can assign access to specific teams and users if you want more controlled visibility. Choose the option that matches how widely this dashboard should be shared. Once those settings are in place, click Next or Create Dashboard to finalize the setup. After the dashboard is created, the next step is to add and customize reports. This is where the dashboard becomes useful. You can include reports that highlight the metrics your team cares about most, and then arrange them in a way that makes the dashboard easy to read at a glance. Finally, manage your dashboards as needed over time. That can include updating reports, adjusting access, reorganizing layouts, or refining the dashboard as your reporting needs change. A good dashboard is not just something you create once, but something you maintain so it continues to deliver clear, relevant insights. And that's how to create dashboards in HubSpot